Oh, it's because of his. You're right, the radio. All right, you ready?
Take off flat.
So am I chasing you?
80 was the set. 80 and 90?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're both FMS rotors, though.
But that F-5 is really tough.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I like it.
Jonah's like, I'm not waiting. I'm just going. You go.
China cleared.
Take him off.
Yeah, because you always cut me off.
Gear up. Flat up.
Thank you. I think I'm going to get the KCR tech. I like those better.
That's what's in there?
Yeah.
That's working good? Shit, I don't even know where you are. There you are.
I was just trying it out. I was trying to see what's going on.
It's hard to see. Sheesh.
Yeah, it's good.
I gotta change my glasses. These are the darker ones. Sorry.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Vassal pass from the left. Over the sun.
Alright, dropping. Low fast pass.
He keeps stepping back.
Alright, I'm gonna do slow.
Okay, I'll try to stick with you.
Low and slow.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Threading the needle with Jonah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay.
Clear. Wow.
30 seconds.
I pulled off to see this landing. Okay. Tell me when I'll hear him when he's down.
I still have.
Fast pass.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Trying to get behind you.
It
It is.
Time expired.
Landing!
I'll let you go ahead, and
After this pass.
go. I have a little bit more time, so I'll go after you. I'll go with you and then come in right after you.
Gear down. Landing flat.
You're a success. Yeah.
Tell me where you are.
I'm in the middle of the runway.
Okay.
So are you coming in?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll be clear by the time you get there.
That's why I purposely went all the way out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
1 minute over.
You know what's funny, Frank? I changed the wheels Now all of a sudden this thing's easy to drive again.
Flaps up.
All three?
All three.
Yeah.
Because they were worn
It
out.
was so ragged.
They were ragged.
Yeah, they just go wherever they want.
Yeah, now it just goes wherever I point it.
They go wherever they want. It's a 6F, but it's a different power setup.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, are you gonna start?
No, I'm not. I'm stopping right there. Stopping right there.
Because the 8S lands like a brick.
Yeah.
And I gave it to Sean right away. And he loves flying brick planes.